people. This your boy Champion the Lord. Me there I sing. Yeah man, big ups to Wizkid. We hear you. Aye. Now you reply say you're this thing. You get hits than the whole Ghana music industry. We hear. Yeah man, people, join this shit right now. Champion the Lord there. We're scared, we here. I go bleed and run. Bumbuckler with there. So. Now you see say Wizkid they reply. Oh, fans no more Soliana, Wizkid wants one few, Shatawale wants one few, Wizkid wants one few. Now you people see say Wizkid they reply. Huh? Now Wizkid they reply Shatta movement, Shatawale. Where they talk say, hey, on I hate change the whole Ghana music industry. We hear Wizkid, we hear Shatta movement, we hear. I wanna saw a big change the whole Ghana music industry, the whole entire Ghana music industry. We hear Wizkid. Thanks, we hear. Ate why? You can be ate, we hear. But we won't tell you say we the Shatta movement, we Shatawale. We the SM fans, we the SM Shatta City, we now rise from the Ghana music industry. No born a rise Shatawale. No be Obo himself way the rise Shatawale. No. Ghana music industry, we know they part. So Wizkid, if you have something to say it, make you go, make we move on. You see that? Who be can? Kanye. Don't come say you the hate down the whole Ghana music industry. Shit, you the hate down Ghana music industry. You know they see yourself. Still we they talk say we the Shatta City, we the members from Shatta City. We they talk say you know be superstar. You know they see your superstar things. You see that? We don't see your superstar things. We don't see your superstar shine. So if you want something to say, don't just there talk say hey Ghana you the hate past Ghana the whole entire Ghana music industry. You know they see face. We the empire self, you know they see face. You know they hear. If you want reply to Shatawale. Talk Shatawale name, make you reply on. Why they talk say you the hate than the whole Ghana music industry. You know they see face. You know they hear you. You know they see you safe. Talk to Shatawale. Say Shatawale, I the hate pass you, make we see what it will happen to this world. You know they fear anybody. You see Shatta movement, Shatawale always be like he they be himself. You know they watch anybody. You know they watch any industry self. If you diss the industry, you know they diss Shatawale because we the Shatta movement, we the Shatawale fans. We the Shatta City people, we always make us say we always this Shatta this them I call can say Bumbuckler. Yeah, this one da muturu muko ne ade you don't hear. Yeah, this one mutuzo but this one you know they see you make you this our dancehall landlord. This time make you go. If you be say the Wizkid way you be boss, you be superstar, you be then you know they see you. Shatawale know they see face. Shatawale know they see you Wizkid self. So we know they care where they be superstar or whatever you they work around. Hey, yeah. You know something. This R2Bs. Hey, yeah, can't come Mugis. If you they talk real, Mugis, you be superstar past this Wizkid. Now, Wizkid wait me don't want to bear. We Ghana people where we they go down for these people. So what I say, and you're fine. Wizkid now when they pay they penny for me anyway. My pa Kulawi and him sign me. For what reason? Make you know say you they hate past them. Shatawale know they see face. You know they watch nobody. You see, that's why it be still Shatawale, Shatta movement, Shatta empire. No they fear face. In the Ghana self where we dey no. people talk say each and every day people think about people where them no day here safe. Obi wa which is see any thing I say when boss say no figana Accra near rush near follow no. But Ghana see and when him bokran and koda or timbi man kayam friend, you know they call the person safe. You see this. Ghana always follow somebody way, there some place where you don't know I'm safe. This case all mean they send the fans say Ghana, fine yati. But why you the talk say you be big part the whole Ghana music industry safe? Huh? If you be bigger than the music industry, we the Shatta city, we know they see you, we know they fear, we know they care. Come this the Shatta Empire. Huh? Put on mic to the Shatta Empire, make we see what it will happen self. Shatta Wale know they boy anybody, know they see anybody. Huh? We better than bad. If you don't know, we not telling you people, you see this, you know they fear anybody. So we can suck you on the mother, you saying, I read the fans know they make Shatta Wale go down. One bad life for my back. If you know they come, I go come. Man ba Seclemosis beba, one ba Jafaru beba, Bombakla with there, so you say, you know they see them at all. Huh? How many times no artists I can say Stone Boy way fast way they do things where people they no. You see that? You know they see them. Yeah man, big up Seclemosis, Stand One, you there I say Bomba Club to the people where them they Shatta Wale. You know they care them. Shatta City say them I go bleed them round Bomba Club. Always them bleed them round, you see. You know they fear them more. Each and every day, man are there. When we step on the street, way them this no fears. Shatta City, we know they fear. If you want this, come this the Shatta Empire. Remember I said the whole Ghana music industry. Or boss if we know they respect them. So if you know they respect them and you know they care. Yeah man. Seclemosis, big ups. We there is saying rare youth are there so. Bumbo crowd, we never fear them. Each and every day, man are there with this soldier life. We at the smoke man weed. Yeah man, if you want come inside where you go come see people. Bumbo crowd, we security pan ourselves for real they see bad. They have a skate now. Yeah, them I go bleed them run anytime, man. I give you that track, you see. Each and every day, them bleed and run. Bombakla, we say, time up, we don't care that. Bombakla, we then see this. How many times will they hear this Nigeria people where them they play this kind of dance song? Huh? If Ghana be true to yourself, be true to yourself. When have you heard any dancehall artist from Nigeria where them they do this kind of dancehall thing? Huh? How many times have you heard that in your mind? The be a mobile the na be GS Kenya na them they run away. You see, we don't care them. Not SM Empire, not SM City. Shatta City, no the joke. You see, always youth rise up. You see that Bombakla me there. Huh? Anytime all the youth rise up. Since we know Shatta Wale, we read Shatta Wale, we watch Shatta Wale, we read the history of Shatta Wale. We saying this thing will make we go on. Hey, you're not in free no. You just sit down and read a step from A to Z. If you read Shatta Wale, the history book of Shatta Wale, I tell you, wallah. Yeah man, you're blessed forever, I saying. You're going to be blessed forever. This how we do. Each and every day, man are there, just reading the book of Wale. Read the book of Wale, you see. Yeah man, just read the book of Wale. You're going to know the real truth of life. Yeah man, Bombakla. This thing self. Hey, Nigeria, for all you know, be say scam 419 where you don't know. Asa So what you say? No, they know anything self. And you man we na where they get money that. Until money I don't. Your career talented. Don't step in a Ghana. Joke fear, you know. Don't step in a Ghana. Joke if you wanna city or wanna country. You hear that? Bomb buckler to these people. I don't care them. Shut up. Bomb buckler. What man do you? Mumu bukonko mbama bukonko ni amamu 700 million, 800 million. Na Ghana artist business stage no so your command bear 200 million, 100 million. You see this kind of money. 10,000, 20,000. Na omuba mabu bukonko no state. Where them they collect 60,000, 100,000, 80,000. Bomba. This thing are not happening for Shatta City. You can't come joke in a Shatta City, you see. We're scared. So also I reply, don't reply to Ghana music industry self. Make you reply yo, yeah man, Rudess, I see you, bad boy. Make you reply the city, the Shatta City. Make we move on. Reply the Shatta City self. Huh? Come reply the Shatta City self. I saw you here. I saw you go here, yo. Not Ghana music industry where they fight for. Bomba club. We don't care what they go on. Real Shatta movement. I fire them each and every day. Man are there. We don't care them. Respect on for yourself, you know. Bomba club. Cha, yeah, it's boom from day one, you see. Yeah, man. Yeah, mama. Shatawale, bad man, thing back, what it? A real vibe, you know. You see, I saw the thing go. You can see this, like Jamaican artists just tune this song. You see, Bumbakla, you see what the man do. Jaria that, you know, you see, realist me there. Bumbakla, you see how the boy do the dancehall. I think, say, Jamaican boy do this shit. You see, right now, me Bumbakla high. Smoke me, I smoke feel zoom on me eye. Mommy see me enemy in a tree mind. Pre them a pre want me money still a pile. Every girl a watching, me nah no time. So me has to figure the long time. We have to read for a year, we are reading and a failure. Pan the money letter every youth a climbed. Bumbakla, you seen this? A real dancehall thing, you see? Police fear chase when me born with Tony Junior the Lord. Police fear chase when me born with Tony Junior the Lord. You see, Junior Bayano that big up on yourself. Whereas Daria just do this dancehall. Police fear chase we. When we smoking pan the seaside, we see Bumbakla, we don't care. We have to burn it each and every day. Yeah, man. On goes. So me tell you, say, real Ghana dancehall artists, the real youth, where them there. The underground artists, where them there. Me tell you, them are good. Yeah, man. They do something good. Them do rare vibe, you know. Yeah, man. Jali them things. Rowan them things. Jario them things. You see, this are real. Them do real vibe. Dancehall thing. Not this Nigeria people where this boy them they do the kukung where them they come collect Ghana money. No, this as we the youth we rise up, we shine one eye. Shatawale just open one eye. We know what they call we know what they call dancehall. You see, Bumbakla. If I scatter do dancehall, you hear that, you can hear that this a dancehall thing. But why I want these people, they must do their dancehall, them they talk say Afro dancehall, we don't have any Afro dancehall. Bumbakla, if you know dancehall, do dancehall. This guy dancehall, rate them that every Bumbakla that he say dancehall tune a player. You see, not something where them they call them Afro dancehall. What is Afro dancehall? Huh? If you want to do your Niger music, just do your Niger music. If you want to do African music, your Ghana music, just do your Ghana music. If you want to do high life, hip life, watching. If you do what you do, if you know what you're doing, Bumbakla is saying, Shatawale know how to do the dancehall. If you hear the man talking, you hear say, a true Jamaican boy talking that. Bumbakla. You know, say we all learning, yeah man. So you have to learn it good, like Shatawale. Samini time. Where you know they do that so poi and swoona muna bashada mina yenda. Huh? Sometimes you know watching we don't know anything. It the wrong way the youth. So what I say, but Shatawale make we wise up, shine one eye. Maybe hear dancehall tune and we know this is dancehall tune. This is reggae tune, we know this is reggae tune. You see? Yeah, man. Yeah, Jawan Nigeria, guess why? Bomboclat. Got a lot of music. Bomboclat. They got a lot of songs. Bomboclat. Not all of them are there on the site, you know. It's saying realmusic.net. We got some tracks there. Visit there. Check out. Bomboclat things are going, you see. We got a lot of vibe, lot of tracks. But you see, wait for 2018. You see this bullshit. From January to December. Screen areas we steal. Pack up, no pack up wire. Bomboclat. Infamous boy. You seen this? In my chill, my talent. So what you say? You got the glory. Right now.
Oh, Romy, who died your
Bomboclat pussy, come here. Hey. Bomboclat, you hear this track from Jaria? Guess me a bad. But she had the Delilah. Yeah, man. She say me a bad, but she the Delilah. You see? Bad things are going on. Me a bad, you call me say me a bad, but you are Delilah. Check out what Delilah do to Samson, you seen this. But me a lie, but she a the liar. You see? She say me a bad, but she a the Delilah. And she say me a lie, but she a the liar. Bomboclat, you see what? Rare vibe, you know. Tell the baby say she a the Delilah. Say if you take weed, if you take dope, it sack all your enemies away, you see? No Bomboclat are there some place where them go. Bumbo. Hey. Hey. Crazy you too. Don't let them lie you. Free up yourself, free your mind, calm your nerves. You hear that? If you take weed, just free up yourself. Make your enemies run away from you. Make your enemy run away from you. Cause Bomboclat evil people, them don't want to see this shit. You see, you hear this beat. Hey, okay. If you want them to see, I will let them see. Bomboclat, what you pussy? Hey, yeah, this pussy don't want me to talk. You hear that? You see how ladies are? Stop fooling, man. I will finish right now. You hear that? Listen to what I'm saying. I love me people who hear them, they watch me right now. I see the Lord. Man, I real against us. So each and every blood clot I feel. No one said, man, I real bad. I seen this. Come on. Free up your nerves. Calm your nerves. You see? Free up your mind. Calm your nerves. If you smoke weed, it doesn't mean go and chase people and collect them money. Go and chase people and fuck with anybody. You see? Don't fuck with any Bomboclat out there. You see this? This pussy will have to do me something right and I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, stop fooling, please. Don't fuck around here, you see. Babylon. Are you am a Babylon? If you am a Babylon, let me know. Because I don't know why you do this. Yeah, man. You tell. This girl don't want people to see her, but she's so fresh and clean, you see. Rasta not need anything a joke thing. I don't want. It's in this bad. Yeah, man. As me stay, as me talk about the herb, you know. You have to take help, free up yourself and calm your nerves. Yeah, man. Don't think bad upon any Bomboclat out there, you see? Yeah, man. You see this? Just listen to this. 420 is a must watch. If any Bomboclat Guinean stuff you talk about 420, you have to know the help the man I talk about. You hear that? 420 is a different name for the help. That time must be actual time, you see, permanent time. 420, you have to roll up your head. But Bomboclat, you hear me? Yeah, man. Don't let them fool you. You see, take help, know what you're doing. I saw that thing go. But it suck all your enemies away. You see, no bomber clad enemy. If you want you smoke, you see, when you smoke, it suck them away. I saw that thing go. Yeah man, roller one while I'm there in the yard. You hear that? You know when we there, bomber clad pussy.